Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Gemini, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Gemini. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Gemini. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have 10 of water, 8 of air, and ace of fire. So in your circumstances, guys, for your situation, maybe your relationship or your career situation, guys, you are someone who is a very confident person, Gemini, and you are very experienced and determined. You are a very honest person. So whatever you think is the right thing, you go for that. And today in your circumstances, guys, maybe you felt a particular way about a certain thing, but the reality was something different. And you are someone who, even if it's your mistake, you are someone who accepts your mistakes or whatever you did. Maybe you wrongly perceived certain things, but you want to move forward. You are a very practical person. So you are ready to face anything that comes in your way, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. You are confident and you are determined and a very honest person. So you accept whatever you do with honesty, guys. You never try to hide anything. So you are up with truth. That may be the reason, though you are doing something wrong, it may be some unintentional mistakes, but whatever it is, you are able to bounce back because you don't want to hide the things that you did. You are accepting the faults and you are correcting it, guys. When we accept the mistakes we do, we just overcome the mistakes and we are on the right path to do the right things. So you are doing that, Gemini, today. So maybe in your work or in your relationship, maybe this is a big step. So with this person in your connection, maybe, guys, because you are someone who's ready to accept whatever has happened, maybe see your situation with that eyes of truth. You are able to feeling inspired and confident again. Maybe you have done something wrong, but there is nothing bad about it. We just have to move forward in this relationship with this person you love. So I see you moving towards your dreams and goals, guys. You are trying your best, maybe putting all your efforts. Maybe you have realized what has happened, realized your mistake, and you are ready to say sorry and move on, move forward with this person in this relationship, Gemini. So you are a very a daring and a courageous person. You do not want to hide whatever you did, and you don't want to brood over certain things. You are a person of action. So that is the reason whatever the situation is, you are trying to resolve it, guys, in your situation. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's Four of Water. So maybe in this relationship with this person, maybe you are accepting your mistake, you want to move forward, but what will this person do? Will they accept or will they reject you? That is up to them, guys. Maybe at the appropriate timing things will fall into place. That is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe for some of you, your circumstances will resolve. Maybe you are willingly trying to reconcile. Things may work out for you, guys, because we have this card also here. This is a very positive card. It just means happiness and contentment. So maybe situation will resolve with this person. Things will be back to normal with your person you love, guys. So for your career situation, guys, Gemini, we have King of Fire. So you are someone really confident, skilled and talented, guys. You are a very experienced person, and you know what is the right thing to do based on your experience and knowledge. You know what will work for you, and you are someone in an important position, guys. Maybe you are a team leader or manager, someone really good and someone who inspires others, and that may be the reason things are moving in a positive way in your career situation, Gemini. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, we have a beautiful card, Let Love Transform. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, in your relationship, maybe if you are already in a connection, this love is going to change you and you are going to move into a deeper, more intimate connection with this person, and you are really blessed, and it is a blessing coming towards you for your relationship, guys. So things are going to go in such a way, it may look like a gift, something which you never expected in your circumstances, guys. And also for those who are single, you will find someone you love, and this person and yourself, you are going to have a very positive, meaningful connection. And maybe you if you are already in a connection or if you are finding someone new, it is all going to happen at the right time, guys. So maybe something may not fulfill your expectation, may not stick to the timeline you expect, but things are happening and there are positive changes in this relationship or some good things coming towards you, but it may not be a moment earlier or a moment later, but at the right time. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love will find you, and you are simply going to be so happy and pleased. So you need not worry, guys. You need not have anxiety or any kind of worry thinking about what is happening in this relationship, whether it will be the one you expect, whether it will be the one that pleases you. So you need not worry of about all that. So at the divine appropriate timing, this love is finding you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Black Tourmaline. So it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in any relationship, guys, if you want to be in a very positive connection, you must have your own boundaries. So the time you need to be free, the time you need to be with yourself to do what you love to do. So this card is for shielding and protection in any relationship. So maybe with this person you love, you may simply yearn to be with them all the time, guys. So this person may be your soulmate or your twin flame, and you may have a great connection with them, but you need some time away from them, maybe just to realize how much you love them and how much you love when you get back to them. So maybe taking time off from your love with your friends, maybe spending some time with your friends or your family. It's just going to rejuvenate this relationship you both have, and you will know that, but it should be something that is happening naturally, guys. You should not force it. You should not try to forcefully stay away from this person. Maybe if you love to be with them, that is what you should do. But if you want to be with yourself, maybe take some time for yourself, maybe do the things you love to do alone, you should go for it. It is simply going to help you. It is simply going to strengthen this connection you have with this person. It is going to make you more relaxed, and that is the thing that is going to make your relationship more nurturing and fulfilling, and it is going to strengthen this connection you both have, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should not be afraid to build healthy boundaries in any relationship. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.